Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to link your Ubisoft account to Steam in just a few simple steps. So without wasting our time, let's go to the step-by-step instruction. Open a web browser and go to Ubisoft Connect. Download and install Ubisoft Connect by clicking the download for PC button. Follow the installation setup and accept the terms of services. Launch Ubisoft Connect and log into your Ubisoft account. Click on your profile icon and go to the settings. On the left menu, select Other and enable Remind me of account linking next time I launch a Steam game. After that, close Ubisoft Connect and exit Steam completely. Reopen your Steam account, logging with your credentials, and go to your library. Launch any Ubisoft game from Steam. A prompt will be appearing asking you to link your Ubisoft account. Click Confirm. Your Ubisoft account is now linked to Steam. So, if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.